The new Mahindra Bolero 12-seater van has been launched as a powerful and practical solution for commercial and family transport, carrying forward the trusted legacy of Mahindra in the utility vehicle segment. Designed to handle tough roads, heavy loads, and long daily usage, this van is aimed at businesses, schools, tour operators, and large families who need reliability with space. From the outside, the new Bolero 12-seater maintains a strong and boxy design that reflects durability and confidence. The bold front grille, large headlamps, and wide stance give it a commanding road presence, while the clean body lines make it look modern yet practical. The white color option especially enhances its professional and commercial appeal, making it suitable for multiple users. At the rear, the van features a solid and functional design with vertical tail lamps, a wide rear door, and a strong bumper built to handle frequent loading and unloading. The overall exterior is clearly made for rough use, yet it looks neat and well finished, especially when showcased in a showroom environment. Inside the cabin, the Mahindra Bolero 12-seater focuses on space and comfort. The seating layout is designed to accommodate up to 12 passengers with sufficient headroom and legroom. The seats are firm and durable, ideal for long routes and daily operations, while the wide windows ensure good ventilation and visibility for passengers. The dashboard follows a simple and functional layout. Controls are easy to reach, the instrument cluster is clear, and the overall interior is built for long-term durability rather than unnecessary luxury. This approach makes the van easy to maintain and perfect for commercial users who value practicality. Under the hood, the Bolero 12-seater is expected to come with a reliable diesel engine known for strong torque and fuel efficiency. This makes it suitable for both city routes and highway travel, even when the van is fully loaded with passengers. Mahindra's reputation for dependable engines adds confidence for long-term ownership. Safety and stability are also key highlights of the new Bolero van. Features like a strong chassis, reliable braking system, and stable suspension help ensure a safe driving experience even on uneven roads. These qualities make it a dependable choice for passenger transport in urban and rural areas alike. Fuel efficiency remains one of the biggest strengths of the Bolero lineup. The 12-seater van is designed to deliver good mileage, helping owners reduce operating costs. For transport businesses, this balance of power and efficiency directly improves profitability. Maintenance and spare parts availability are additional advantages. With Mahindra's wide service network, owners can easily access servicing and parts across Pakistan and other regions, ensuring minimal downtime and peace of mind. Overall, the new Mahindra Bolero 12-seater van stands out as a tough, spacious, and cost-effective people carrier. Whether used for commercial transport, school vans, or large family travel, it delivers reliability, practicality, and value for money. This launch once again proves why the Bolero name continues to be trusted for everyday hard work and long-term performance.